This is an electric candle melting pot, and here's everything that you should know about it before purchasing. So this is an electric wax melter pot designed specifically for candle making. I have had this for upwards of like 6 months or so. I actually have some more wax in here that I need to melt. These kind of wax melter pots are really nice because you don't have to melt your wax on the stovetop anymore. This is just one of the more convenient ways to melt wax, in my opinion. It makes the melting process really simple, more controlled, and much easier to manage. This is ideal for people who are like candle hobbyists. They're working with smaller batches. This is really easy to navigate and use. It comes with this little power cord that you're seeing here, and it also comes with a thermometer that you can insert into the wax. I just couldn't find it. Some things that I like about it is the fact that this candle is like a non-stick material. When I'm cleaning it, it's really easy to clean. I don't have to like fight it very hard to get the wax off. So you can see right here, there's a lip where you can just pour this directly into the candle. So you're not having to like transport the wax from like pot to pot. You can just like melt it and then use it and put it directly into the candle holder. It has 3 settings on it. So this is off. This is the first level of heat. This is the second level of heat. I will use this second one generally for like wax that requires like a higher level of temperature to melt. But I'm usually just working with like soy wax. So all I really need is just to use this heat level. Other than that, if you are like in the beginning stages of trying out candle making, having a dedicated wax melting pot made my candle making process a lot easier and a lot more streamlined. So if you've been on the fence and wondering if this has been worth it or not, I have thoroughly enjoyed my experience with it. When I make candles these days, I only use this.